Your food. Here is Jeremiah. He is eating his breakfast. He is 2 years old yesterday. Say hi. Hi, Mama. He will get his snacks. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Smile, Jeremiah.
Mama.
Yeah. Love you, Mama.
Abba.
Excuse me.
Fishing.
He is 2 years old yesterday. He's drinking his bottle. He's in our bed right now. Sit down, Jeremiah. Here's Jeremiah. Thank you. And he will eat his snack. How are you, Jeremiah? Say, I'm fine. Talk. I'm fine, Mama.
Mama.
How old are you now?
Number
Say, I'm 2.
12.
2.
Big.
Uh-huh.
Big banana big.
Uh-huh.
Your hair net.
Uh-huh. How old are you now? Say 2. He will eat his snack. Is it yummy?